Hello, guys.
Oh.
We are doing family game night, and we decided to take a few minutes. We wanted to show you one of our favorite games for family game night. This would be a good one to pack in your bag to do in the hotels when you're visiting theme parks, or, you know, if you have to take a break on a rainy day, whatever the case may be. So let's walk through the basic concept, and I'll kind of give you some tips on it, and then we're going to play around just so you can see how it works. All right, so in Sushi Go, you're going to get a variety of different sushi themed cards. They're super cute. My favorite, though, is this happy little dumpling. Like, I want my life to be as happy as this happy little dumpling because he's just living his bliss.
I like the pudding.
You like which one?
The pudding.
Where's the pudding? The pudding's just like chilling. He's like, hey, what's good? What's going on?
The pudding reminds me of me, like.
Okay, so if you notice on the bottom, we'll start down here. On the bottom of each of these, there is a number. So for the maki roll, the person with the most is going to get 6 points, at least 3. Tempura, you have to get 2 of these cards in order to get 5 points. For the dumplings, it's kind of an exponential thing. So if you have 1, you get 1 point, 2 is 3, 3 is 6, and so on. For sashimi, you have to have 3 of these in order to get 10 points. Wasabi is a booster. So on any nigiri, and I'm sure I pronounced that wrong, so tell me how to say it right. If you do this, let's see, where's my wasabi? You put your wasabi on the nigiri, then it's gonna multiply it. So it's gonna be a 3 times 3, a 3 times 2, or a 3 times 1, depending on which one you throw it on. And then these are just straight point values on these ones. And then your puddings, you're going to collect throughout all 3 rounds of gameplay. And then the person at the end with the most is going to get 6. Person at the end with the least is going to get 6 points taken away. Now, chopsticks, the way that these work is that you'll hold on to the chopstick as your card when you play. And then whenever you're ready to use it, you're going to put that chopstick back in your hand. And you're going to trade for 2 cards instead of 1. All right, so let me put these in the discard deck because we're not going to need them for this round. And then what I'm going to do is actually, I went ahead and dealt a hand. And I'm just going to let you guys watch a round of gameplay here just so you can kind of see what we do when we play. Okay, chopsticks. All right, so that's gameplay for 1 round. And let's walk you through how we would do the scoreboard on this one. All right, so for this one, I'm at 5 points on these. Then you're going to add 3, that makes 8. Add 3, that makes 11. 13. I do not have the most of these.
Yeah, we're all equal. So we all get 3 points.
No,
Oh.
I have 5.
He has the most.
No.
Yes,
5.
he does. Anyway, these don't count. So that puts me at 13 points for my first go round. And then you're just going to go ahead and kind of write that down because you will be playing 3 rounds.
13 for me.
You're at what?
13.
13.
I got 4 dumplings, 1 egg nigiri, and 1 wasabi.
Okay, let's see what you ended up with. All right, so this is going to count for nothing because he only had 1. For these, he ended up with 3, so that's 10 points. What else did you get, dude? All right. Each of these are worth 2, so that puts him at 14. And then he gets these, so that puts him at 16.
20. He was at 14 plus 6.
Oh, 20. I'm awake. Not really. All right. So see, that's how you're going to do this. And then you're going to do it 3 rounds through. So let's imagine that we played an entire 3 rounds.
And I have the only pudding.
And You took it from me, you dingo. So let's say that there's, I have the most pudding and everybody else doesn't. I'm going to be able to go ahead and add 6 points to my final score. That said, if one of the other kids didn't collect any, which is honestly usually me, then you're going to lose 6 points from your score. So your goal is, if you're going to make a point of collecting pudding, then you want to make sure that you're stacking, that you're not as stressed about stacking your scorecard on the other area. But if you're not going to collect puddings at all, then you're going to really want to make sure that you're ranking in some high point values, or else you're going to end up stuck. I will put a link in the description for this game. Sushi Go makes a really good game for a family vacation, or for, just quality time together, or if you're busy and the kids want you to play a game but you don't have all day to give to something like Settlers of Catan or Munchkin. So other than that, if you have any questions, feel free to let us know.